Hey yo, what's up guys? It's Yoda Hacks here. And this video I'll be introducing a new tool to you, which is Career Validate. And what this does is validate a list of phone number leads, USA based phone number leads, and basically it acts as a career validator, you know, make sure that it checks the service a phone number belongs to, basically the career, and also has the ability to generate phone numbers as well. So right here, what in this video, what I'm going to be talking to you about is how to validate the phone numbers. I'm not going to talk about how to generate numbers because that will be very simple. So first thing you need to install Python on your PC, right? And once you have the script, you'll be able to list your phone numbers. So what you do is in the file, got the stuff in there. So what we need to do is let's run this tool again one more time. Okay, let me close this tool. Then I will run it again one more time. So what I'm going to do is CFD, boom, yeah, and then the next thing we do is py main, and yeah. So we're going to select one because we're going to validate the leads, and then we're going to put the name of the list. That's list.txt. That's the name I saved it with. And then we give the threads. I'm gonna give it threshold 50, and boom, start working like that. So see how it goes. So as you can see, it's validating the phone numbers, and that's allowed to finish working, and we're gonna go through it. And what it does is that it also goes ahead, if we check here, the career folder, it goes ahead and then put them in a list, in their own list. So like T-Mobile, check T-Mobile, all the T-Mobile phone numbers will be in a T-Mobile list, arranges it for us. Now all the Sprints will be in the Sprint list. Yeah, and Partel, so like Jacksonville, lenses, all this. That's what it does is validate. Just make sure it validates, and it's done. The work is done. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to add international number of validators as well. So I'll be updating this script. Yeah, thank you guys, man. And yes guys, if you like this video, you guys should just like and subscribe. You know how it goes. Yeah. And for this particular video and this tool, right, if you need this tool, I'll leave my Telegram user in the link below, so you can reach out to me to get the script. Feel me? So peace out.